foster care is so important, and May is Foster Care Month, and we're going to learn more about how area counties are working together to help foster kids. Joining me today, to my immediate left, Shelly Conrad, Program Administrator over Foster Care at Allen County Children's Services. Then we have Amber Conley. She is the Director of Hardin County Job and Family Services. So thank you both for coming today.
Thanks for having us, Holly.
Okay, we hear about foster care, but it's really an important tool, and kids really need it, right? So tell us about the needs in both of your counties.
What we're finding is that in both or all three, Allen, Auglaize, and Hardin County, we have children that are coming into care that have specialized and exceptional needs that require a higher level of care and treatment. So we're working collaboratively to implement treatment foster care in all three of our counties in order to serve the needs of those kiddos. Because what we often find is other network agencies are turning our kids away, which is requiring us to move them outside of our communities, and most times more than an hour away. So we're trying to get those kids back into our communities.
Right, yeah, and Shelly, it's important to keep them as close to home as possible and to help the kids, right?
Absolutely. So that is why we're establishing the Treatment Foster Care Program, which actually combines the basics of the traditional foster care, such as care, supervision, and then provides active and structured treatment within these foster homes. Our treatment foster caregivers are experienced, extensively trained, and skilled professional caregivers who demonstrate a commitment to improving the lives of these youth.
When we're talking specialized treatment, I mean, give us an example. Is it, you know, drugs? Is it mental health? I mean, what kind of issues are we trying to help the kids with?
So our staff last week completed training through Presley Ridge, which is an evidence-based pre-service training. So we are all trainers, and we can now train foster parents, so they will receive that same training that we did. That talks a lot about behavior interventions, active listening, just those types of interventions to help youth on a daily basis.
Right, yeah, because it's important to help these kids, right? They've been going through a lot, and that's why you guys are working together to make sure things are happening?
Correct, yes, and really addressing trauma, that the treatment is such a crucial part and component of healing.
Right, yeah. So when you're looking for foster parents and recruiting them, will everyone get this kind of training, or would it just be certain foster parents?
So Allen and Auglaize currently licenses family foster homes, and both of those counties will be licensing treatment foster homes. So some of those homes that are already licensed can become treatment homes, or there are certain qualifications which the agencies will look at for individuals or couples who are not licensed currently, such as if they've been caring for a special or exceptional needs for an amount of time.
All right, very good. So, Amber, I mean, it's important because you're more rural community. We're all kind of rural areas, Allen, Auglaize, and Hardin, and that can be different, you know, situations and challenges than, you know, inner cities, right? So it's important that you guys collaborate together. That's why this treatment program is unique and happening?
Absolutely, and we're able to access then other resources that are available in communities outside of our more rural community.
Right, yeah. Okay, so Foster Care Month, you know, raising awareness about the special treatment and also just the need for foster parents too. So if someone wants to get involved in this, how do they do it?
Yeah, May is National Foster Care Month, and we utilize this time to thank our currently licensed foster parents and bring recognition to that. They can contact our agency, Allen County, at allencsb.com or 419-227-8590, and we will talk with those individuals on, you know, what the process is on becoming treatment homes, or even foster homes in general, and then depending on where they are located geographically or where they want to foster through, we will refer them to the other county.
Seems like an important step that you guys are taking, and are you excited about the things that can be happening for the kids?
We absolutely are. Just even the idea, as I said, of bringing them back closer to home, closer to their families, and the community supports that they're familiar with is a very exciting prospect. And, you know, the collaboration just made a lot of sense with Allen, Auglaize, and Hardin County all being serviced by the same Mental Health and Recovery Board because, as we've said, treatment is such an important piece of healing.
Yeah. Good to have it back in Allen County to have this help, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Very good. Well, thank you both for coming today and telling us about it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, don't go away. New Tradition continues in a moment.